Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? Today you are watching video how to fix Huawei Mate 10 Lite Wi-Fi not working Wi-Fi Grayout. Someone tried to fix this phone, so I am took it this phone. I am get this phone to try to Wi-Fi Grayout not working. So listen to me, how do I fix this problem? Huawei Mate 10 Lite to Wi-Fi not working Wi-Fi Grayout. It was before water damage. Some shop there tried to clean it and it was already cleaned it on motherboard. I checking everything, so I see the near the Wi-Fi section little Wi-Fi case. First time I again to clean it well by ultrasonic. I tried again. Now I checking how to find this problem, especially this phone Huawei or this model IC chip model HI1102. This Wi-Fi IC chip model is lot of phone are supported this IC Wi-Fi case Wi-Fi section. So I'm cleaning now well this section, the IC chip HI1102. I clean it well and again try to check it's working or no. It's my logic. I fixed many phone like that. Wi-Fi Grayout not working. First time I checking to clean it well and I see resoldering. If it's not working, I replace this chip IC chip HI1102. I fix it many lot of phone like this Huawei, especially Wi-Fi Grayout not working. Now I'm remove the cleaner. Is hot temperature. If any phone is problem water damage in case, check all the board is well. Have a inside to water case and carbon. This case our many phone are problem inside to. Now I clean it. This hot temperature. Just I clean it. Now I check it. What's the position again? Wi-Fi working or not? Only turn on phones, I check it again to go Wi-Fi setting. Sorry, my language phone is Arabic. Wi-Fi. Oh no, good result. Again, same case, not working. So you are watching like this is again not working, same case. So I must be resoldering this Wi-Fi more chip HI1102 this Wi-Fi chip IC. I need to resoldering again. Just it was I before clean it well, not working. Now I fix it finally. How do I fix? Now I put it flex and this is Wi-Fi section and Wi-Fi chip HI1102. Warning to your organ temperature. It must be temperature 290 degree because we inside the CPU processor in pasting. That's why we should be hot gun temperature 290 is. If you make too much hot gun temperature 320 like this, in case is problem too much in your board. So we are pasted IC. We paste IC and try to push it the IC inside to slowly. Look how do I make like this work. Yes, I push it slowly. Careful is to check all components. I'm sure now his phone is working. Is not return back again. I fixed it many phone, however, like that problem. Wi-Fi Grayout not working. It's my logic. Especially I work it how I more. Checking again to phone stand on. Wow, working, my friends. Now showing is Wi-Fi is done to working. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel to always get hardware and software good working. So YouTube my channel DM Repair Teach. It's finally working. Thank you all my GSM friends. If you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.